Dr. Daniel Manduku, member for Nyaribari, Masaba, in Kisii County. First, I want to pass my condolences to the families and friends of the loved ones who died as a result of the protests. Further, I want to thank the young generation for coming out and making their voices heard. But more than that, and in total respect to the Kenyan population, I think we leaders are the problem. And it is time that Parliament is dissolved and we all go back to the electorate and seek a fresh mandate. When protesters stormed Parliament, they came back to take their power, which under Article 1 of the Constitution is donated to us who were elected. And this is in spite of repeated assurance by the Speaker that we were safe in the House of Parliament. Second thing, I'm asking the President to immediately reconstitute his cabinet and get competent people, and I want to say the word competent again, people who can deliver, even as we go into an election. I know people will argue that we don't have an IEBC, but I'm saying this, we are signatories to international treaties, and we can borrow other practices. For example, we can get commissioners from the African Union, we can get commissioners from the East African Community, or from the United States, from the United Nations, so that we go the mediation way. If a commissioner comes, say, from Ghana or from Uganda, he may not be partisan. And the sole mandate of these commissioners will be to conduct a fresh election so that we have a new parliament in the next 90 days. The first exercise will be for the commissioners to update the voter register in 30 days, and thereafter conduct a fresh parliamentary election within 90 days. Thirdly, we saw the President and his deputy speaking from different scripts, and yet they are part and parcel of the same government. That tells you that there is no love lost between the two of them. And therefore, we want a new government after 90 days. Lastly, I want to tell Generation Z to keep pushing. This is your country. This is your future at hand. Push until you get the reforms that you so desire, because this will be the good for our country. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. As we've just heard, those are the few sentiments